Whoa, let's learn stuff. Karis Library as a resource for the MK331 Marketing Plan Paper Project. I wanted to talk about 4 resources that I wanted to point you to when it comes to helping you or that could help you with this project. So the first one is the library resources tab in Canvas. So I want to go to that. So really this is 2 out of the 4. Your library website, and then also our marketing experts. So these would be the 2 people designated as our marketing experts that you could turn to at the library to help you with your research. So we got Miss Aquila here and Miss Bon Turner. And yeah, if you click on that, it should take you to their information, or you might even be able to, it gives you more information about them. There's an email me button. So I would say as you're working on this project and you have a great idea, they would be a good resource for you to come to because they're library experts. There's a lot of information available at the library. I know you think, oh, Athens State, the library, well, it connects to the internet, right? And they have access to a lot of things. And one of those would be a database, for example. So if you click on that, this will give you 9 specific databases on marketing that you might find really helpful when it comes to writing your paper. And this is kind of getting ahead, but one of the things that I require in your marketing plan paper is that you use at least 5 different sources, one of them being the textbook. And the reason for that is this is an academic paper. Ultimately, you're in college, so you're writing a research paper. And the thing about research papers is that the more that you point to other people's work, the stronger that it's actually considered to be a good paper, like it's a stronger paper because of that. And if you only choose one source for your information, then essentially you're pretty much just copying somebody else's paper. If it's just based on one paper, that's just their ideas rewritten or remixed in your paper. But when you start looking at many different sources and you start combining those thoughts, then that becomes a real type of research paper where you're synthesizing information. Going back to this one, so it even tells you right here your best bet for those kind of scholarly type of articles that you want to support your work would be these 2 right here. So I was playing with this before our meeting, so it might even show up my search terms on there. So say you wanted to write about, I don't know, it's not on there anymore. Like say you wanted to start your own business, like a restaurant in Athens, Alabama. You might want to do like restaurant industry statistics to help you get started. So see right there, it's giving you all these different search results that might help you find out more information about the restaurant industry. So it could start giving you ideas on what might work or what doesn't work, or where is there like a gap in Athens, Alabama. So for example, there's already a lot of actually I don't know where there's what's in Athens because I spend most of my time in Madison, Alabama. But yeah, you could start doing your research and see what might be needed there. So to recap, 2 resources that you could use with your research project is the library website itself, because it has so many different possibilities as far as resources to help support your thoughts and ideas. And then there's also our marketing experts, so Dagan and Mary.